Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a new cosmetics pouch that I picked up from Longchamp. I am actually going to see if I can challenge myself to fit a full face of makeup in this little cute Longchamp pouch. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I've been loving the new The One collection by Longchamp. I picked it up in this gorgeous size large, and I had to go ahead and pick up the matching cosmetics pouch. It's so pretty. I love the monochromatic look of the new line. It's so gorgeous. So this to me is a great travel bag, work bag, student bag, mom bag, day trip bag. And so I wanted to go ahead and pick up the pouch to go with it. Anytime I travel, I like to have a good size travel cosmetics pouch. And I thought this would be so pretty to match the bag. And of course, if I do a day trip, it's also nice to have a full face of makeup. A field trip with my kids, any sort of day trip kind of is a good idea to just take a full face of makeup. You never know what's going to happen. You never know if the bus is going to break down and you're going to have to change a tire and you're going to look like a train wreck when you actually get to your location. It's nice to have all the things. You can go into the restroom and freshen up if you have to. And so for me personally, I thought this would be a great idea, especially nice for travel. I feel like it's a good size. So I ended up paying about $120 for this cutie from Nordstrom. Their entire line is super affordable and so elegant and chic. I am so here for it. So I know a lot of people really enjoy using the pouch size as a crossbody bag, and it's so adorable. I've seen so many people use the conversion kits and create crossbodies, and it looks so pretty. So maybe one day I will do that with this cute bag, but for now I'm going to make it into my cosmetics pouch, and I'm going to see if I can fit my entire full face of makeup in this little cutie. I mean, it seems a little bit ridiculous, but I feel like this cosmetics pouch is such a good size, and there's something about the Longchamp brand. Doesn't matter how much you put in a bag, it just has more room all the time. It's bizarre. It's almost like a Mary Poppins bag. It's just never ending space. And so I'm hoping that's the case for this cute cosmetics case. I would love for everything to fit in one bag instead of have multiple pouches for my makeup. And so let's go ahead and see what fits in my new makeup cosmetics pouch. Let me go ahead and give you the dimensions of this little cutie. The width of the bag is 6 3/4 inches. The height of the bag is 4 1/4 inches, and then the depth of the bag is 2 1/4 inches deep. So not a bad size for this cute little pouch. So let's go ahead and see if I can fit all my makeup in this little pouch. Like I said, I have all of my makeup here. Hopefully this will all fit in this pouch. Let's kind of start the way I put my makeup on. So let's start with a moisturizer. I always moisturize with the Caudalie. This is my favorite. I have dry skin. As you can see, I need to replace it. It's almost empty, but this is my favorite for my dry skin. And so that fits beautifully in there. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and it's just super smooth and creamy. It's super opaque, so you can put a really thin application on your face without it looking thick or cakey. I absolutely love this foundation. It's so nice, and the size is ideal. So in this goes. I'm gonna have my concealer. So this is the Shape Tape by Tarte. This is the mini. And I love that there is so many minis nowadays. Who wants to carry the weight of a full size when you travel? So this is really nice. And I really like how it sets under my eyes. It doesn't make them look crepey. So then I usually have just like a little sponge for my concealer. That really helps so it doesn't look thick at all. So that's going in there as well. And a good powder. This is a really pretty one. It's super kind of soft and creamy, and It really just goes on so nicely. It's not cakey at all. It's super thin, just kind of sets the foundation down. This is B63 Light Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural, and MAC does it well when it comes to all their makeup. I really do like this powder though. My blush, this is so pretty. This is called Harmony by MAC. It's their matte. I also really like some of their kind of shimmery blushes, but this one's kind of sheer, but it's super buildable, so it can be as light or deep as you want it to be. And as you can see, it's just got like the most beautiful nude peachy vibe to it, so it just goes with absolutely any look. And so I'm going to take that with me. This really nice Estee Lauder, it's called Bronze Goddess. It's really, really pretty. It's like the most gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. And I mean, hello, Bronze Goddess Central here. It's really, really nice. I love it. It's so buttery and creamy, and it looks really, really pretty, especially in the summertime. So that is also going. I have a Brow Wiz by Anastasia. This one's a really nice one. I like that it's a little smaller, and it just kind of is more a mini or a travel size, I would say. So that fits beautifully. Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's just the most gorgeous sort of neutral palette. They are mixes of mattes and shimmers, so you do you is what I always say. But let me just show you these are. So here is the matte, and here is the shimmer. What gorgeous, right? So this is in the Haze palette, and it's just really, really pretty. I really like it. It's just so nice for the summer months. It's just a nice nude. You can use this year round, and I like that it's compact, but it gives you lots of different color options. Going with me. We're doing pretty well, I would say. I mean, we still have loads of room. Isn't that amazing? It really is a Mary Poppins bag. It's just always more room, which I love, especially when you're traveling. You need the room. So you guys think in the comments below about the new Longchamp, the one line. Do you love it? Do you prefer the original? I'm curious what your thoughts are. And also, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe so I can see you in my other videos as well. All right, let's keep going. Next is my MAC stack. I absolutely love this. It's such a good mascara, and I'm never disappointed when I wear it. I feel like it makes my lashes super long and lengthening, but they also give it some volume. So it's a 2-in-1 for me, and I'm here for it, so it's going to go with us on vacation as well. Next, I have the Ilia. This is the really entitled. It's the Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon, and it's just really nice. Clearly, I've been using the heck out of it. It does need sharpened, but it's just a really nice nude. It glides on seamlessly without tugging at your lips. It's really creamy. I sometimes will layer this on my lips, almost like a lipstick, and that way, if my lipstick wears off throughout the day, I still have something on the lips that looks really pretty. And it doesn't dry them out like some lip liners can. So I'm gonna take my Natasha Denona. These are such gorgeous neutral shades, and I feel like I always regret not taking it with me, so I take it just in case. I got a fresh one. I actually have gone through an entire palette, all the shades except this one, Hit Pan. So these are such gorgeous neutrals. This is the Natasha Denona Mini Eye Sculpt palette, and such a good size for travel. I'm a little extra when it comes to eyeshadows. Like, I can't just take one palette, so it's nice to have the smaller little palettes for travel. This is made in Italy, and this is just a good nude palette. This is my Gucci Flora because I can't go on vacation without an amazing perfume. I love the travel size. I always buy the set so I can get the large one for when I'm home, and then I like to get the travel size if possible. I also feel like it's a little cheaper when you do that. You get more for your money, kind of buy in bulk and save, and I found that to be true. I'll try to do it during like the Sephora savings event, save myself some money, or if Nordstrom's having a sale on their beauty, sometimes I can get a good steal. But I always try to buy the sets because, like I said, I like to have a travel size as well. And this has been my favorite fragrance for such a long time. I don't think I'll ever be without this fragrance now. I love it so much. Always have to take a MAC lipstick. MAC lipsticks are some of my favorites. I've used them for years now and they continue to just deliver. And this is in the shade Blankety. This is the sleek satin lipstick. I really love the luster glass ones too. I'd say luster glass formula is my favorite, but this one's a nice creamy one as well. And the shade on this is the perfect nude. Let me show you. Oh, isn't it heavenly? It's so beautiful, you guys. So that is the shade Blankety, and it's just the perfect nude. And she goes. And I can't go on vacation without something that's going to be hydrating, but also make my lips look like a glazed donut. So from Laneige, I'm taking the Glaze Craze. This is in the shade Cinnamon Sugar. Perfect nude gloss. Again, I love so much that it has like a little donut applicator. So this is a nice silicone applicator. It's super soft on the lips. It comes out really nicely. You don't get a mess all over. And then it's just so gorgeous, but it's super opaque, which is not normally the case for some of these lips serums. So I just feel like this one is so good. I bought this in a set, so I got the pink one as well. I think it's called Strawberry Sprinkles to go with the strawberry or the donut glaze craze. But I love both of them. This one is the one I've been reaching for a lot lately. I really like the other one as well. So that is also going on vacation with me. And guess what, guys? We did it. We met that challenge. Now, normally I would add a beauty blender to, and this is an off-brand beauty blender. I probably got this at Target or maybe on Amazon. It's been a while, but let me just see if that fits in there, and it does. Let me just show you. Look at all the things. And technically, if I really wanted to, I could add more. But let's stop there because I have everything I really need. And to tell you the truth, I even have a little bit more than I need because I did add the extra eyeshadow, which I technically didn't have to have, but I wanted. So not only do I have everything I want, or I have all the things, you guys, like it truly fits everything, and technically there's still room. I mean, let's not be greedy, but there is still room, guys. It's so fantastic. And go ahead and zip her up. And we got it to close, guys. Challenge complete. So there we have a full face of makeup for a day trip, a vacation, a work bag if you feel you need to take it with you, if you work out at a gym and then want to do your makeup before you head to work afterwards. This is like the perfect cosmetics pouch. It's so pretty. I love it so much. This is my beauty blender that's in here, but for eyeshadows, I do like to bring my little travel brushes. This is the Charlotte Tilbury travel brushes, and it's just really compact and convenient. I love that it has this really pretty kind of case that goes with it. It has a kabuki brush, a bronzer brush. It has a couple eyeshadow brushes. And so this really is all you need. Like I said, I usually will put my foundation on with a sponge, but these brushes are really all you need for travel. They're the bare minimum of what you're gonna need. This is such a good little case. I know it's sold out before, but I feel like it's back at Nordstrom Rack. I'll tag any of these items for you guys in case you're interested, but it's just so convenient to have these kind of smaller items to take with you when you're on vacation, when you're traveling. You don't want to carry heavy tons of different bags, so this is convenient. Another one I picked up not too long ago, I want to say I got this at Nordstrom. I want to say it was about $30. These are the Sigma travel brushes, and This is a nice little addition to travel. This is really just for your eyes, but you have a E30 pencil, which is really nice. It also has the eyeshadow. Here's the eye shading brush, and then it also comes with the blender, which is also nice. So 3 little mini brushes. You could use the case that it comes with if you wanted, but I would probably just put these either in the makeup bag or add them to my little Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow brushes. So I'm just gonna add these in here, and that way I don't have more things to carry. So it all fits in there, and now I am ready. Now I have my travel cosmetics pouch that has a full face of makeup. I've got my makeup brushes, and I've got the most beautiful travel bag, mom bag, work bag, could be a student bag and a day trip bag. Such a gorgeous bag, and I'm thankful that I went ahead and picked up the cosmetics pouch to go with it. It's going to definitely serve me well as we travel through the summer. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till next time, bye friends.